Welcome back to eCreativeAid. In the world of hair care, coarse hair is admired. Every product on the market claims to increase thickness and revitalize dull hair. The strongest hair kind is healthy coarse hair. It can tolerate higher temperatures, maintain a style for an extended period of time, and withstand a range of chemical procedures. Because of the sheer thickness of each strand, coarse hair seems drier and dries faster. Oils that permeate the strand help to keep the moisture in the hair shaft and prevent breakage due to dryness. Now, coconut oil and avocado oils are two oils that are well known in the natural hair world for being quickly absorbed into the hair shaft. So, coconut oil is extremely rich in fatty acids and is easily absorbed by your hair fiber as well as the scalp. Hence, it deeply moisturizes the hair and provides it with the nourishment it needs. With coconut oil, you can also enhance blood circulation, preventing hair loss. The International Journal of Trichology found that minerals like those in avocado oil can help seal cuticle cells, which can prevent hair from breaking. Antioxidants, minerals, essential fatty acids, biotin, vitamin A, B5, and E are all found in avocado oil. And the third component are the amino acids, which is keratin and hibiscus, make it an excellent conditioner. Hibiscus nourishes the hair follicles, soften the hair, and make it more manageable. It is rich in antioxidants and proteins that are needed for healthy growth of hair. Hence, the antioxidants fight damage while the proteins regulate growth. Now here are the steps on how to do the home remedy. So first we need 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We also need hibiscus leaves. You can use the normal tea bags. We also need 4 tablespoons of boiling water. Pour the boiling water over the hibiscus tea bag and let it sit until it cools. Mix the oils and the tea together. Apply sparingly to the length of your dry hair and focus on the ends as these are the most delicate. Massage gently into your scalp for several minutes until fully absorbed. All curly hair types with fine hair can benefit from this method. Then wear your plastic cap and leave it on overnight. And then you will have beautiful flowy hair, fully natural. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.